Hello, I'm Deputy Darren Powers with the Spokane County Sheriff's Office Commercial Motor Vehicle Enforcement. Today, we'll be going over pre-trip inspections, why it is important for you and for your company. First, let's go over what a pre-trip inspection is. A pre-trip inspection report is a driver's reportable document done daily to ensure all aspects of the vehicle safety are checked prior to driving a commercial motor vehicle. The pre-trip inspection does several things for you. It's mandated by commercial federal regulation. It ensures your safety as a driver, as well as other motorists sharing the roadway with you and your commercial motor vehicle. It limits the liability of your commercial motor vehicle company, and if you or the commercial motor vehicle is involved in an accident. It shows a written document to an inspector of a deficiency found during an inspection and limits you as a driver to the exposure of a citation versus the company's exposure of a already known defect. Now, let's look at what commercial federal regulation says about inspections and in regards to you as the driver and to your company. 49 CFR 392.7 reads, "No commercial motor vehicle shall be driven unless the driver is satisfied that the following parts and accessories are in good working order. Items to be inspected by the driver are parking or your handbrake, service brakes including trailer and brake connections, steering mechanism, lighting devices and reflectors, tires, horn, your windshield wipers, rear vision mirrors, coupling devices, and lastly, emergency equipment." Emergency equipment inspection includes under 49 CFR 392.8, it reads, "No commercial motor vehicle shall be driven unless the driver is satisfied the emergency equipment required in 49 CFR 393.95 is in place and ready for use." 49 CFR 393.95 reads, "Emergency equipment on all power units, each truck, tractor, trailer, or bus must be equipped with the following: a fire extinguisher with a minimum rating for load being carried, spare fuses, 6 roadway flares, or 3 safety triangles." 49 CFR 392.9 reads, "A driver may not operate a commercial motor vehicle, and a motor carrier may not require or permit a driver to operate a commercial motor vehicle unless the commercial motor vehicle cargo is properly distributed and adequately secured. The commercial motor vehicle tailgate, tailboard, doors, tarpaulin systems, spare tires, and other equipment used in its operation and the means of the fastening of the commercial motor vehicle's cargo are secured." Subsection B reads, "The driver or the truck tractor must assure himself that the provisions of this subsection have been complied with before he or she drives the commercial motor vehicle, and the driver must inspect the load within 50 miles after beginning of the trip or is necessary to ensure the load is secure." A driver or company can look at all these securements and regulations under Commercial Federal Regulation 49 393.100 through 393.136. Now, let's look at the truck parts you will be required to inspect on your pre-trip inspection. A simple way to inspect the truck is to start with the inside of the cab, looking for your charged and secured fire extinguisher. Let's look for our safety triangles or 6 roadway flares. Once found, and ensuring that they are in proper working order, press your vehicle's horn to ensure it can be heard. Now let's check your windshield wipers and fluid and ensure that they work and have fluid in them. Check your outside mirrors are in good working order, and from the driver's seat you can see both the left and the right hand side of your vehicle. Check your steering wheel and ensure when you turn left and right with your steering wheel there is no play or lag time in the wheels turning. Ensure your steering wheel is tight and does not have any slack in the column. Lastly, place your vehicle's emergency brake on to ensure it will hold if you need it on a stop or on a hill or grade. Now, let's turn on our commercial motor vehicle lights and ensure they are working and in proper order. To ensure all your lights are working, you should check your running lights, your individual turn signals, low and high beam headlamps, your flashing hazard lights on the front and the back of your vehicle, your front clearance lamps, rear marker lights, and any other lights that you have on your truck. All have to be working and be cleaned as to be seen from a distance of 100 feet away. Lastly, you want to make sure your brake lights work, which can be problematic at times. Try to have a coworker assist you to ensure they light up when the brake pedal is depressed. But if alone, you can place a brake stick or a heavy object on the brake pedal so you can walk back ensuring the brake lights work. Next, Make a check from the front left bumper all the way around to the front right bumper of your vehicle. You will be checking for tire tread depth and ensuring that all tires are inflated. Front tires must be at least 4/32 of an inch tread depth, and all other tires must have at least 2/32 of an inch tread depth. An easy way to check this without any specialized tools is to take a penny and place it in the tire groove. If the groove surface is at the top of Lincoln's hair, when pressed firmly into the groove, you're approximately 2/32 of an inch on your tread depth. If the penny is pressed firmly into the groove and the penny sinks all the way to the bottom of Lincoln's hairline or to his forehead, you are at 4/32 of an inch tread depth. Now, check for your couplings to ensure your trailer and your trailer brakes are connected and are working effectively. Once confirmed everything is satisfactory for your day of driving and for work, write up your pre-trip and have it accessible in case you get pulled over by a commercial motor vehicle inspector. If deficiencies are found, write it up and have it fixed prior to driving. As we know, you and your company are responsible for the safety of these vehicles. With that, I'd like to thank you for your time and concern for safety on the job while driving these large vehicles. Have a great day and drive safely. This has been a free presentation and education class which was brought to you by the Spokane County Sheriff's Office, Commercial Motor Vehicle Enforcement, and Aggressive Commercial Traffic Team.